How to log out of Messenger on your Android and iOS. If you're using the Messenger on a shared phone or one secure account, logging out is very important. So if you do not do it, anyone can read our messages. So let's do it the right way. We open up the Facebook app for that. And once we open it up, we can go to the menu option in the top right corner. And once we access our menu, what you can do is you can go to our settings, tap on settings in order to access our settings of our account. Now within here, we can go to the section for account center for Meta. And within there, we can look out for the section for password and security. So tap on it and we can look out for this option called where you are logged in. So under security checks, we can find that option, we can tap on it. And once we tap on it here, we can look out for a Facebook account because usually Facebook is directly associated with Messenger. So we can open it up. And once it is done, you can select opt the device as to log out, tap on it. And once it is done, you can select up device. Once it is done, you can tap on logout. And now Messenger and Facebook is logged out on that device. This is the way possible. Or if you're using the device directly, you can basically find Messenger there and hold it up and go to the info. And from there, you can look out for the storage section. And within storage, we can look out for the clear cache and also clear data. That should remove the account from the app and logs us out. This basically does it. You can just go and follow that process and that's it. And logging out matters very much because it prevents unauthorized access, keeps the messages very private, protects our account on shared phones, and stops the background syncing. So that's how we log out on Messenger on Android and iOS. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.